Hey, Racer Rob and the team at Integrity Auto Care. Today's patient is a 2001 Dodge Durango with the check engine light on and a vacuum leak. So let's go after the cool stuff first. We went ahead and scanned the system with our very powerful Snap-on Solus Pro scanner, and the code we got out of it was a P0135 Bank 1 Sensor 1 O2 sensor heater failure. Now, I get a lot of questions about which sensors, Bank 1, Bank 2, Sensor 2, things like that. So I like to make things simple, and having the right tools and equipment is the key. I love Pro Demand, and right inside Pro Demand you'll see that Bank 1 refers to the cylinder bank that includes cylinder number 1. Sensor 1 refers to the sensor that is located before the catalytic converters. So basically, using Mitchell again, the sensor description is the front one, Bank 1, upstream of the catalytic converter, in exhaust before catalytic converter. Now I've made a little Rob Russell drawing here for you. So here's the firing order. Bank 1 is the same bank that cylinder number 1's on, so we know it's the left side, and I've drawn an exhaust manifold here. So here's the catalytic converter. Bank 1, sensor 1 is before the cat. This would be Bank 1, sensor 2, or the downstream. This is upstream, that's downstream. So technically, bank number 2 would be Bank 2, sensor 1, Bank 2, sensor 2. So once again, that's the descriptions of the O2 sensors. Once again, Mitchell On Demand kicks butt. And here's the sensor that my technician is going to be replacing. And basically what the oxygen sensor does is it measures the airflow amount of gases in the exhaust and sends a signal back to the computer. And what they've done in the new cars is they actually have a heater, because this sensor has to warm up, and that's when it works the best, is when it's warm. So once again, we test here, we don't guess. So here is the, try to get that more focused for you. And there's a shot, a close-up of the heated oxygen sensor. And that is the heater circuit. This is the sensing circuit, so that heater's gone bad inside the cat. Now as far as the vacuum leaks go, man, I wish I'd have thought of this. This guy's sitting on the beach somewhere, but here's a smoke machine that we use. And we inject some air into it, shop air, at about 7 psi or so. It's got a heater in here, and we put baby oil in it, and the heat and the pressure, and we hook it up to the intake manifold, and wherever you see smoke is where the vacuum leaks are. Now it's kind of hard to tell on the video, but what we found out was that one of the injector seals right there is the injector. You see where that red is? That injector seal went bad, so we're gonna have to replace the injector seals. And there's also a you really can't see it, but another vacuum line that cracked over here. So that's gonna be the fix. Once again, Racer Rob and the team at Integrity Auto Care. We're gonna fix this customer's 2001 Dodge Durango check engine light and vacuum leak. So hope you enjoyed the show. Hope you enjoyed the smoke machine that I showed you, the O2 sensor, and the scanner. So once again, Robin and the team at Integrity Auto Care, over and out.